Welcome to Mobile Trading Academy. In today's video, we shall be looking at the weekly outlook for USDJPY. In this video, I'll be showing you what to expect from USDJPY in the next 5 days. And also, I'll be telling you where to enter the market and where to put your stop loss. I will also be showing you the different ways you can approach the market. So ensure you watch the video to the end and you will be glad you did. So first, it is very clear that this market is in an upward trend, though we have a very gradual movement. However, we have had a steady move upwards, and that is shown by these higher highs and higher lows that we experience here. These are the higher highs and the higher lows. The market was told at this point, had a challenge going through this point, this level. So the last part of last week gave us a break above this level. Price is above right now with about 132 pips or thereabout. So how do you approach this market? We have established that the market is trending up. That is very certain. So we are looking for opportunities to buy in a dip. So the first thing to do is to look for the possible areas that price will be returning back to. And remember that whenever a resistance is broken, there's always a possibility of price retracing to that very point to retest it. So we will be expecting price to come back down into this area. And where should be our risk? This most recent low should be an area that we don't expect to see this currency pair go below. So any retracement should be supported above this very most recent low. What we are expecting from this very currency pair now is to see price to dip down into this area and then pick up again to give us a new high. So this is the first option. So the overall outlook for the week starting 1st of April to the 5th of April is that USDJPY will dip down into this area of 135.00 to 134.35 area. So we are expecting price to dip into this area or even deeper than that, maybe 134.00 area. Then that is where we shall be looking for long opportunities to long this very trade. So that is the overall outlook for the USDJPY in this coming week. On the overall, we are bullish, so we'll be waiting to buy at that point. So when you buy at this point, your stop loss will just be below the most recent low. Then your take profit should be above this new high, this very most recent high. That is how you approach the trade for this very week. However, the second option is, while you're waiting for this very bullish move to actualize, if you are a counter trend trader, you can go to the lower time frame to catch a reversal of this very most recent breakout. So you can go to the lower time frame, the 15 minutes time frame, to catch a reversal of these very most recent breakouts. So what will you be looking out for? Now, looking at this 15 minutes time frame, you are seeing that the market has been making higher highs and higher lows, and that is showing bullish trend. So what you shall be looking out for right now is to see lower high and a lower low formed. So how is this going to be printed? We shall be looking at to see something like this. To see this market reverse at this point, instead of making a new high, it may just reverse at this point and create a new low. And when it creates a new low, lower than this previous low, and then when I see a break below this point, so when I see a break below this most recent higher low, I'll wait for price to come back into that very area. Then I will short the trade with my stop loss just above the most recent lower high. And then my take profit will be coming down to these very zones where I am waiting for this trade to materialize, which is the first point will be at 134.80 area. That is this very area. And the next point will be at this area. The next point will be at this area. So this will also be another wonderful trade if you are a counter trend trader. Once you see the market break below this, then you can join the market to come into this place, take your first profit here and possibly the second profit at this area, and then you quit the market and wait to see what happens so that you can join the market to go in the overall market direction, which is bullish. So I hope this video will help you make some good profit this very week. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. To have a profitable trading week.